And MEBAA is really important because it brings us all together. I've learned so much, I've been educated, a lot of the issues have been taken up and resolved. So MEBAA is really our go-to place to hear our voice and bring us back solutions.
It's an opportunity to give a feedback to the organization in order to continuously improve and also to think about how the air show will evolve in the future.
Well, I think MEBAA gives us that connection into the region and to the principals and the different flying organizations that do business aviation. So that connection is invaluable for us.
Well, it's very important for us because it gives us a chance to contribute to business aviation. It's a platform for us to offer ideas, to offer initiatives that can bring more awareness and promotion for the business aviation in the region.
MEBAA membership is important as the fact that MEBAA has the power to gather people together, to have this influence locally, to have the possibility to strengthen groups of people separated into one piece.